9. Pay the over. Let's see the gatabayos. Love bombing. If it ain't rice, it ain't nice. Boba and question mark. Yeah! Damn, she can play guitar. 18. She goes to Berkeley. Yo, is Berkeley in the Bay, chat? Or yo, that means she's smart as fuck. Staring. Yo, why she kind of look like Kelly? I mean, she seems super sweet. Too young. Too young. A little too young. Yeah, she a little too young and smart for me. She a little too young and smart for me. Definitely not on Hinge. Yatabayo. Is she wearing a do-rag? Yatabayo. Gotta be deaf on Hinge after seeing you. Heart eyes. That's like some Duke Dennis shit right there. Right there. Hold up. Lights photo. Too young. Look, actually too young. Sunny? What? This is the Bay. Yeah, too young. Valerie. Okay, we got that's her first pose. She lives in Long Beach. Is Long Beach the Bay, chat? Hold on. No. SoCal. Hey, Bay. 30 minutes from LA. Westwood. Is Westwood the Bay? Hold on. Where's Westwood at? Hold up. I think I'm in love. It's in LA. Ella. Too young. She's a little too young for me. Mia. She kind of look like me. What the am I tripping, chat? But she look good though. Like low key 21 Filipino. Hold on now. You look familiar. Yvonne. Vietnam. Fucking why not? Beggars cannot be choosers. Where's my song at? Damn, she texted back. Why y'all question mark? Too young for a song. I'm gonna just hit her with it. I miss you. Hi says EO. Interesting name, EO. USC EO. Oh. I want you same day delivery. Yo, I'm telling you, this is literally the best fucking one-liner in the fucking world. Shout out to YBG. He put me on, bro. The best one-liner, bro. The new one. Yatabayo. 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 She got a knife on her chest, bro. Yo, she's Asian and she got the neck tats and all like right here. Oh my. Yeah, no. I got Amazon Prime. Hey, where you from? Damn, she double texting. Damn, she double texting. She kind of like Kate. She want the check mark. Yo, wait, what? Like this picture throwing me off. Like what? She does not look like no clout sad. Okay, y'all being racist. She does not look like sad. She 100% you. Yo, what the fuck? She does? Ain't no fucking way. There's no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way. Fucking why not? Beggars cannot be choosers. Where's my song? Fucking Reach of fucking doom. Reach. Hey, bae. You don't want to do pickup? Oh shit. Lincoln Heights. Where's that? Is that the bay? Lincoln Heights. LA? What? I'd love to do pickup. Why is she laughing so much? The fuck is so funny? Is this the new pickup line? Send me your Discord. Fire. And why is that? Her type is Asian, stussy Asian. Chad, would I be considered an ABB? No, right? No, right? I don't have any fucking stussy in my closet. Yes? No, you're ugly. Okay. Alright, bro. You're too, okay. I don't vape either. You're the head honcho? That's not true. No, you're an Edgar. Not tatted or jacked? Who not fucking jacked? Don't fucking play with me. Don't fucking play with me. Alright. And why is that? I'm gonna just hit her with an I miss you. I come with heavy instructions. Can you handle it? Holy shit, she looks tall as fuck. Hold on. Oh my gosh! This fucking girl. Art. Focus. Yatabayo. I'm a great instruct. She looks unreal. She looks like you. She low-key looks like you. I'm a quick learner. Hey. On my way. Yatabayo? Cap, send the Addy. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I totally forgot about her. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh jeez. I added you. Let's talk. Hold up, chat. She's Australian. Who does she look like? She looks... Why y'all saying Baby Ray? She looks nothing like Baby Ray. Linda 2.0? Nah, she's darker than Linda. Linda XL. Yo, what's up with yo? What are y'all doing? What are y'all saying? Alright. Alright. That was my Hinge. Quick little Hinge segment. Nothing.